How to join a group on Snapchat. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can join a new group, and we're going to go straight from our Snapchat web application. You can do this on your mobile device as well. It's exactly the same procedure. So you will find an icon that will allow you to get into your chats, and the icon will look like a little message button with a pen or a pencil, and you're going to tap on that. On the web application, it's on the top left hand side, and this is what that drop down menu will look like. You'll see all your contacts over here, and then right at the top you'll see a search bar, and then there is a little tab that says group. We're going to tap on that. Now over here you can give your group a name, so we're just going to go ahead and go Snap Group, and then you're going to go down and you can see all of your contacts, and you're going to select the contacts that you would like to have in the group, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to tap on group chat. And once you tap on group chat, you will have a new group. There we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we will see you in another video. Happy Snapchatting. Cheerio.